Hey everyone, Amazon has a really cool AR function, augmented reality function, where it lets you look at physical items through AR in your world. So before you buy something, you could see what it looks like on your table, on your shelf, in your room. I wanted to show you how to use it in this video. So what you need first is you need the Amazon app. So this won't work through their browser, you need the app. So go ahead and look for the Amazon app here. And they have it for both Android and iPhone. I'm gonna use the iPhone here to get it. And I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open mine. Go ahead and download it if you don't have it yet. And you don't even have to sign in for this process. I'm actually not gonna be signed in to show you how to do it. So to access AR, you see that camera option right there on top right? Go ahead and click that camera tab. And on the bottom here, you could search with camera, you could search with your photos and things like that, search with barcode. But if you scroll all the way to the right, you'll see view in room. This is the AR view. So let me show you how that works. And this is what AR view looks like. So you're gonna have some top picks on the bottom, so I could scroll left and right here to choose those, or I could choose bigger things like chair, furniture. In this case, I'm at my desk here, so I'm gonna just use one of these devices here. And I'm gonna go ahead and it's gonna ask me to put it somewhere on the table on the blue dot. I'm gonna tap that blue dot, and just like that, it's placed it right on my desk. So I could actually move it here, and I could use two fingers to rotate it. And then wherever I move my phone, it will still be here. So even if I pan off and come back, it's still here. So to put another thing here, let me do that Alexa tap. And as you can see, if I back up, it's still here. So again, I could rotate and I could move it around just like that, and I could put it somewhere else. So in this case, let me put it on top of one of these hard drives, just like that. It would show up right over here. So now I could go ahead and move my phone around to see what's going on with it. But you could do the same thing with bigger things. So if I wanted to put a chair down, let's put a chair over here. There we go. Now it's pretty big here for this room, but he put a chair right over here next to my light, and I could go ahead and rotate it if I wanted to see that chair with my two hands just like that. So now I have a chair here. You could do the same kind of thing with different items, like even a sofa or a table here. Let me just put a table here instead. There we go. Now I could rotate this table. So it's a really cool way to see different items around your office. Let me come back here to the top items. Let me just try this one in this case. And sometimes it's going to take a second to load an item to put it on, but I'll go ahead and rotate this. And that's how you could check new items in your space. I hope you found this video useful. I think this feature, as they put more items on here, could become really handy beyond just furniture. In fact, look at this one. There's a lamp option here where I could see what a lamp on my desk is going to look like. I'm going to put that lamp over here, see what that's going to look like. There we go. This cool lamp, I could go ahead and rotate this around and then move it somewhere else on my desk. Let's say I wanted to put it right in the corner here. So now I could see how that lamp is going to look like in the room. So I think this is going to be a very cool feature inside of Amazon AR. And more people are going to take advantage of it. I hope you found this useful. I post daily tech videos just like this one every single day, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.